Hi, this is Zak Mir from Master Investor with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Monday, March the 23rd. Starting off with Audioboom, where you can see that the shares are back above 8 pence. That was the support in December and also in February. Looks like we've had a bear trap below this level for March, 6.75 pence the low, and then quite a sharp rebound now, as we would assume that the people who went short are getting caught out. RSI support here coming in from an extended line from January, double bounce off that line towards the 30 level. Usually a double bounce is a leading indicator on a recovery. Initial target here would be the 50-day moving average at 8.95 pence, and then after that back to 10 pence plus, maybe by the end of April. Be cautious on the shares. You'd wait for a clearance of the 50-day moving average, given the way that it is blocked the price action since as long ago as the beginning of November. You can see these points here that we've had where the 50-day line has blocked the stock. Otherwise, it would be time to go long of the shares with a stop loss at 6.75 pence, the low of this month to date. Next up, we have a stock which is breaking through the 200-day moving average, falling feature. That's Camco Clean Energy. Looks quite encouraging here in the sense that just ahead of this weekly close above the 200-day moving average of 5.04 pence, we had a gap to the upside through the 50-day moving average. That's the blue line here. And all of this comes in the aftermath of a bear trap rebound from below 3.5 pence. Which tested last summer's support and was also a bear trap of November support as well. So looking encouraging in terms of the Camco upside. Probably the trajectory here is regarded as being something along the lines of this a trend channel fitting the chart like this. That would project the stock up to 8 pence plus over the next couple of months. Stop loss in the first instance probably back below the gap floor at 4.5 pence. Something which makes for a reasonable risk-reward trade. Another stock which has been dancing around its 200-day moving average is ITM Power. Quite a vicious bear trap here in the end of January, early February, below 25 pence, which basically broke this bull flag. The shares should really have gone up from January, but final flush out here, higher low for March, and then this interesting gap through the 200-day moving average, which is a decent buy signal, especially when accompanied by a V-shaped bull flag that we've got in place at the moment. View over the next month or two would be that as long as we hold above the 50-day moving average of 28.93 pence, shares of ITM Power should forge higher. Probable 40 pence target here. Price channel trajectory along the way that I've just drawn. Support in the RSI window as well, multi-tested RSI support line here from the beginning of the month, and rising volume as well, which is encouraging. Finishing off with LGO Energy, where there's been we've seen the shares sort of drag down really from the best levels of September. Now the real sort of battle here is to guess how far the shares will fall before rising. Looks as though we're back above, or we're delivering a bear trap back above the old 2.34 pence low of December. If we can hold that over the next couple of sessions, I think that would be very encouraging. Double bounce off falling RSI support line as well should deliver helpful momentum. But if you're cautious on the shares, maybe wait for an end of day close back above the 20-day moving average of 2.63 pence before looking for a retest or a return to 3.5 pence plus, which is where the shares were at the end of January. That's it for me. More updates at masterinvestor.co.uk.